Lemongrass, often known as citronella, is a plant that grows all over the world. It is a plant with tall, thin leaves that have citrus flavors and a lemon scent. Because of its scent and flavor, lemongrass is frequently used in cooking. Since the white portion is softer than the green portion, it is typically finely chopped and combined into the meal. However, some chefs utilize the entire bunch of lemongrass to intensify the flavor, as seen in dishes like the well-known Filipino delicacy grilled chicken, or chicken soup. It is a typical component in Thai cuisine and a natural insect repellent. In aromatherapy, lemongrass essential oil is used to freshen the air, lessen stress, and improve mood. The leaves of the lemongrass are boiled to make a delicious and nutritious tea. Lemongrass is rich in vitamins B1, B2, B5, B6, and folate, as well as the minerals potassium, niacin, manganese, iron, and calcium. Those vitamins are necessary for the body to produce energy and red blood cells. This is especially important for pregnant women, infants, and young people. Lemongrass is used to treat digestive disorders because it is a natural diuretic. It may help in cleansing and flushing harmful toxic wastes from the body. It can assist to relieve nausea, constipation, bloating, and relaxing your stomach in order to keep your digestive system running smoothly. Lemongrass is helpful against gastrointestinal ulcers, which improves cramping even further. Lemongrass is high in antioxidants, according to a study. These antioxidants have the potential to combat free radicals, which are responsible for cancer cell formation as well as premature aging. Lemongrass has long been used to treat high cholesterol and to manage heart disease. An investigation was carried out into the effect of lemongrass in mice. It was discovered that consuming lemongrass lowers cholesterol levels, and because of this considerable influence, it may improve heart health and give protection against severe heart illnesses. Lemons have a remarkable amount of citric acid, which helps to cleanse the liver. Drinking lemongrass tea first thing in the morning on an empty stomach helps the liver get rid of all the waste products and toxins that have built up there, thoroughly detoxifying the body. About half of the daily required intake of vitamin C can be obtained by the body from 1 cup of lemongrass tea. The immune system can be greatly boosted and supported by this, giving it the assistance it needs to fight infectious diseases successfully. The antioxidants in lemongrass extracts can effectively reduce chest congestion, even when the body is battling the consequences of an infection. Because of this, it helps quick recovery from infectious diseases. How to prepare lemongrass tea at home. Here are the ingredients. 4 cups of liquid, 1 cup of lemongrass, 1 tablespoon of honey. Clean the fresh lemongrass by running water. Cut them into little pieces after cleaning it. Put a saucepan over a heat source, add water, and bring to a boil. Add the lemongrass, and it should boil for 10 minutes. Lemongrass leaves will start to change its color once the water has boiled. Finally, sweeten it by adding honey to it. So relax and sip some hot lemongrass tea.
We hope you found the information in this video useful. I hope all of us are in good health. As always, this video is for educational purposes only. Please consult your doctor before making any decisions. Also, please do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe and like button. It really helps support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you.